Hello students, let us start with definition of compact matrix space. Definition. Let XD be a metric space. Let XD be a metric space. If the space XD is said to be compact, is said to be compact if every open cover of X has a finite subcover. If every open cover of X has a finite subcover. In previous video, we have seen definition of open cover. Means script G is equals to, suppose G alpha such that alpha belongs to lambda is an open cover of X if X is equals to union G alpha belongs to lambda. Okay, and this script G is open cover for X. What is the definition of compact? The space XD is said to be compact if every open cover of X has a finite subcover. Means there exists script G dash such that, suppose G alpha such that, suppose here is alpha I, 1 is less than or equal to n. This script G dash is finite subcover of G, means we have union G alpha I is equals to X. Then we say that the script G dash is a finite subcover of script G. Okay. What is compact? Compact is if every open cover of X has a finite subcover. Okay. Let us take next definition. A subspace Y dy of XT is said to be compact if it as a metric in its own right. A subspace Y dy of XD is said to be compact if it is compact as a metric space in its own right. Means what? This subspace means every open cover of this subspace has a finite subcover. Then we say that this subspace is a compact. Next definition is a subset Y is a subset of X is said to be compact if it is compact as a metric subspace. Means this subset Y of X is said to be compact if every open cover of Y has a finite subcover. Okay. Let us see some examples of compact metric spaces. first example is show that RU set of real numbers with respect to usual matrix is not compact. Okay. Solution. Let script G is equals to open interval minus n such that n is belongs to set of natural numbers is a collection of open subsets of RU such that union n belongs to set of natural numbers open interval minus n is equals to R. In previous video we have seen that open interval minus n means this family is open cover for R. Okay. Therefore, script G is an open covering of RU. In example, we have to show that RU is not compact. Means we have to show that this open covering has no finite subcover. Okay. Let script G dash is equals to open interval minus nk comma nk, k runs from 1 to and so on up to R. Okay. B finite subcollection from script G. Then NP is equal to maximum of N1, N2 and so on up to NR is belongs to RU is such that NP does not belong to union K runs from 1 to R open interval minus nk comma nk. Okay. Therefore, summation union K runs from 1 to R open interval minus nk comma nk is not equal to RU. Okay. Therefore, here NP is equals to what? Maximum of this number. This element belongs to RU, but this element does not belong to union K runs from 1 to R open interval minus nk to nk. Means what? This union is not equals to RU. That's why. Therefore, for any open covering for any finite subcollection script G dash of script G this is say here actually this is for this is not equals to for any subcollection script G dash of script G. Okay. That implies open cover script G of RU has no finite subcover has no finite subcover for Ru. Therefore, Ru is not compact. Therefore, Ru is not compact. Let us take next example. Second example, show that open interval 0, 1 with respect to usual metric is not compact. Script G is equal to, suppose don't say script G, suppose this is C. C is equal to Cn is equals to open interval 0, 1 plus 1 upon n plus 1. Here is n minus. Such that n is belongs to set of natural number. In solution, let C is equals to, suppose Cn is equals to open interval 0, 1 minus 1 upon n plus 1. Okay. So this is Cn is equals to open interval 0. If we simplify this, n plus 1 minus 1. So this is n upon n plus 1. Okay. So here we will get, suppose this is A1 put n is equals to 1. So we will get interval 0, 1 upon 2. Okay. Which is a subset of A2 is equals to open interval 0, n is equals to 2. So 2 upon 3. Which is a subset of A3 is equals to open interval 0, 3 by 4 and so on. Okay. These are intervals are such that obviously A1 is contained in A2, A2 is contained in A3 and so on. Okay. Limit n tends to infinity, An is equals to open interval 0, 1. Why? Because as limit n tends to infinity, 1 minus 1 upon n plus 1 is equals to 1. So we will get limit n tends to infinity, An is equals to 0 as it is, and limit of this function is 1. So we will get limit n tends to infinity, An is equals to open interval 0, 1. Okay. Therefore, union n runs from 1 to infinity, open interval 0, 1 minus 1 upon n plus 1 is nothing but open interval 0, 1. If we take union of these all intervals, we get union is equals to open interval 0, 1. Okay. Where each An is equals to what? Open interval 0, 1 minus 1 upon n plus 1 is open interval and hence open interval in open interval 0, 1. Okay. This is a open interval and it is open interval in open interval 0, 1. Therefore, C is an open covering, therefore C is an open covering of open interval 0, 1. Because each this set is an open covering for open interval 0, 1, and each set in this covering is open, therefore it is open covering for open interval 0, 1. Let C dash is equals to an1, an2 and so on up to ank be finite sub-collections of C, then NP is equals to maximum of N1, N2 and so on up to Nk, okay, comma x is equals to 1 minus 1 upon Np plus 1. This point is belongs to open interval 0, 1 is such that but x does not belong to union R runs from 1 to k a n k. NP is maximum of this number. We have taken x is equals to 1 minus 1 upon np plus 1. This x is belongs to open interval 0, 1, but this x does not belongs to union a n k. Therefore C dash is doesn't cover open interval 0, 1. Therefore open covering C of open interval 0, 1 has no finite subcover. Therefore open interval 0, 1 is not compact. Okay, let us take one more example. 3. Let XD be discrete metric space. Where X is infinite set. Okay. Show that XD is not compact. Okay. Let XD be a discrete metric space and X is infinite set. Then we have to show that XD is not compact. Okay. Solution. We know that singleton subset of discrete metric space is open set. This is a result. Every singleton subset of a discrete metric space is an open set. Therefore script C is equals to singleton X such that X is belongs to capital X is an open covering of X such that union I runs from 1 to n singleton xi is not equal to x as x is infinite. Discrete C set is what? Singleton x such that x is belongs to capital X is an open covering of X such that finite union of this xi does not cover X. Obviously, why? Because X is infinite. Therefore, what does it imply? Open covering script C, open covering script C of X has no finite subcover. Therefore, infinite discrete metric space is not compact. Therefore, infinite discrete metric space is not compact. Okay. And let us see one more example. Fourth number. A finite subset of real number is compact. Solution. Let S is equals to A1, A2 and so on up to AN be a finite set and G be the family of open cover of S. We have to show that this open cover has a finite subcover. See here, suppose here is A1, A2 and so on up to here is AN. Okay, so this is your real number. Okay, suppose this is a open set which covered A1, suppose this is open set covered A1 and so on. This open set also cover AN. Means what? There exists a open set containing each AI which is belongs to S. There, since S is finite, that implies open set containing AI are finite. S be a finite set and G be the family of open cover of S. Okay. There exists a open set containing each AI which is belongs to S. Since S is finite means what? There exists, that implies open set containing AI are finite. That implies script G has a finite subcover of S. That implies S is compact. Okay. What is the definition of compact set? When we say X is compact if every open cover of X has a finite subcover then we say that X is a compact metric space. Okay, we will stop here. In next video we will see some theorem on compact metric space.